Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you Shopify payment setup. So let's get started. So all you have to do is just simply log in to your Shopify account. Now, the integrated payment gateway available to Shopify sellers is called Shopify Payment. To locate that option, you just have to go to settings, and then under settings, you will see your options, but you have to go directly to payments. So tap payments, and then under payments, you can see here options like payment providers. We have here supported payment methods. We have here payment capture method, and we have here manual payment methods. Now, if you tap any of these options here or features here, you will see or you can find that payment method or provider that you're looking for. For example, we have your PayPal, MasterCard, and Visa. Okay, so I'm gonna show you that later. Let's start with payment provider. So payment providers enable you to accept payment methods at a rate set by the third party. An additional fee applied to new orders once you select a plan. So let's tap choose provider here. Okay, so under choose provider, you will see here payment providers. Okay, so there are tons of payment providers here. You can easily scroll down and look for the specific payment provider that you're looking for, but you have to make sure that this one is available in your country. As you can see, some of these are not available in my country, and I'm not really familiar with this. So if you choose a payment provider, you have to make sure that this one is supported or available in your country. We have also here other payment methods, which are kind of familiar. We have here Visa, MasterCard, and MyCanPay, and all you have to do is to select one. Okay, so you can link this to any of these bank accounts here. Okay, now let's just say if you're looking for MasterCard, then you can see it MasterCard here, but you can see here in the other payment method, not the third-party payment provider. Okay, so let's just say this one. Okay, we have here EP, but this one is not available in my country. Just in case this one is available in your country, you can simply tap this and then a link to any of those available payment or bank cards that you can link. Okay, so payment capture method, we have here automatically at checkout, authorize and capture payment when order is placed. We have here automatically when orders are filled, and we have here manually. So you can just skip to this if you want. And let's proceed to manual payment methods. So payments that are made outside your online store. So if you tap this add manual payment method here, then you will see options like create custom payment method, back deposit, money order, cash on delivery, or COD. So why is it called manual payment method? It's because if you tap any of this here, then you are allowed to add more details about this deposit or payment methods. For example, you can add some details about how to, set up for a bank deposit. You can even add instructions to customers. Okay, so everything is up to you here. You can add additional details and you can add some payment instructions. Also, same as if you tap this cash on delivery, you can add additional details here and you can add payment instructions. Okay, so that's the good thing about selecting this type of payment method. Okay, so all you have to do is to click this activate cash on delivery once you're done. Okay, and lastly, we have here this what we call support or supported payment methods. As you can see, I already linked my PayPal here. So payment methods that are available with one of Shopify approved payment providers. So to know more, let's tap this add payment method here. Now you can search by payment method or you can search by provider. So let's tap this search by payment method. So let's just say we're looking for a MasterCard. The good thing about this is that you can add as many as you can. You can add UnionPay or also WeChat. Okay, so I want to add this because I have customers in China and other Asia countries. So it's very important because most of the people there, they use WeChat to pay. Okay, so always remember that. Also, you can add Bitcoin and some familiar payment methods if you had customers outside. So you have to know your customer's payment method, and you could just search it right here so that it would be easier for them to transact, to pay you. That's the most important thing when it comes to selling on Shopify, okay? The payment method. Okay, so you just had to look. Now, if you have found that payment method here, then all you have to do is to link or install this payment method on your Shopify. Okay, so that's it. Now, going back, let's just say you want to add this what we call Skrill. And Skrill is one of the most popular payment methods for freelancers or, people who are working online. So in order to add that, you just have to click, for example, this, choose payment provider here, add payment method, and then go to the search bar, type Skrill, okay? And Skrill will pop up right here. Tap this one. And the good thing about this is if you want to connect your Skrill to your Shopify, you just had to simply tap and install this Skrill application to your Shopify. Okay, so as you can see here, we have install application. It is authorization, so all you have to do is to install application, and you can easily find Skrill on your Shopify. But of course, you have to enter some information on Skrill, like your first name, your last name, in order to connect this Skrill to your payments. Okay, so if you don't have an account yet on Skrill, then you can simply go to any web browser, and then you can type Skrill, and there you can sign up for free. You just have to simply enter your information. For example, this one, the merchant ID, email, secret word, and then we have here API password, logo URL, and then click submit. Then once they have accepted this, then you will see the Skrill under your payments. Okay, like my PayPal. That's it. Okay, you can do it to other payment method if you want. Skrill is just a sample for me. Okay, so as you can see, this one, because I could have mentioned earlier, Skrill is one of the most popular payment methods for online workers or those freelancers, okay, around the world. Okay, so that's it. You just have to register, and then you can connect this directly to your Shopify or Shopify payment. Okay, so once you're done with this, then let's go back to our Shopify payment. And yeah, it's so easy. All you have to do is to select and make sure that this payment provider is available in your country or it supports to your device, because if you tap any of this here or link this to your payment provider and it's not available in a country, it's very useless. So in my country, the most famous or popular payment methods are like PayPal, MasterCard, Visa, and yes, you could also use Bitcoin. Okay, so yes, the first e-commerce platform to provide a proprietary, the first e-commerce platform to provide an exclusive gateway solution was Shopify. There are many benefits to using it rather than a third-party provider, even though not all sellers may be able to utilize it. Online payment acceptance made easiest with Shopify payments. It gets rid of the trouble having to set up merchant account or third-party payment provider and then enter the login information into Shopify. As soon as you build your Shopify store, you're automatically configured to take all major payment methods with Shopify payments. So that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!